Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
It's incredibly frustrating when you're all set to dive into the open world of Far Cry 3, only to be met with that pesky error code 2. This specific issue often indicates that your game launcher, Ubisoft Connect, is struggling to connect properly or verify your game files. But don't you worry, it's a very common problem many players encounter, and thankfully, there are usually a few straightforward fixes. We're going to walk you through some simple solutions, getting you back to Vaz and the Rook Islands in no time. Let's start with the absolute basics. These steps surprisingly fix a lot of problems. First, give your computer a full restart. It clears up many temporary software conflicts that could be causing trouble. After that, always try launching both Far Cry 3 and the Ubisoft Connect application itself by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. This grants them the necessary permissions to operate smoothly. Also, double-check that your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can sometimes cause authentication errors. Next up, we'll verify the integrity of your game files. Sometimes, downloaded files can become corrupted, leading to launch issues like error code 2. To do this, open your Ubisoft Connect application, then head over to your game library. Find Far Cry 3, right-click on it, and select Properties. From there, you should see an option to verify files. Click that, and the launcher will automatically scan and repair any problematic game files for you. This often resolves many underlying game errors. Another common culprit can be your security software. Your firewall or antivirus program might be mistakenly blocking Ubisoft Connect or Far Cry 3 from connecting properly. You'll want to add both the launcher and the game's executable files to your security software's exclusion or whitelist. If adding exclusions doesn't work, try temporarily disabling your antivirus and firewall for a moment to see if the game launches without the error. Just remember to re-enable them afterward for your computer's security. If all the previous steps haven't worked, and you're still seeing error code 2, a complete reinstall of the Ubisoft Connect launcher might be necessary. This is often a last resort, but it can fix deeply rooted issues with the application. First, go to your computer's Add or Remove programs and uninstall Ubisoft Connect completely. Once removed, give your computer a quick restart. Then, download the very latest version of the launcher directly from the official Ubisoft website and install it. This fresh start often resolves stubborn errors, finally getting you back into Far Cry 3.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.